back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video. As you all have read by the title, today is going to be my tutorial for this amazing color. Oh my god, I love it. So if you guys want to know how I got this amazing color, go ahead and keep on watching. Literally, this tutorial is going to be so short because it literally only took me like 5 minutes and I was so shook. This was my first time doing the watercolor method and I was so shocked. And trust and believe me, I am going to do more in the future, and I will also be doing more tutorials like this. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and before I start, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another video that I post. So let's get started. And either before or after this video, I will be posting my review for this hair, so make sure you guys go watch that video if you want to know how I like this hair. Okay, but it will be 2 separate videos, and in my review video it will also be my installation process. So sit back and let's get started.
So the wig that I'll be working with today is from VIPWIGS. They sent me this hair and it came in 2 days. If you want to know more about this hair, you could just watch my review video. It'll be posted at the same time as this video, but I'm just showing you all the goodies that came with this hair and also the construction of the unit on the inside. There were clips, an adjustable strap, and also an elastic band on the inside. And honestly, I love this hair. It's really good quality. It was good quality before I dyed it, and it's still good quality now. So yeah, this is just like a really great wig. Thin lace. In order to protect the knots so that they didn't get as saturated as the rest of the hair, I just used Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and I sprayed that on there, and then I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes while I let my water boil and it dried. You could also use a blow dryer, but I just decided to wait. So I used this bucket that I got from Target. It was like $4, and then I also used a whisk and some tongs. And then I used boiling hot water. I let my water boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. It really doesn't have to be boiling hot though. Look how smoking hot that water is. Y'all really do not need water this hot, but you do need gloves and you do need to be careful if you use boiling water, because I burned myself a few times. But this is the color I used, Adore Pink Petal. I only used 1 bottle. I really didn't even have to use the whole bottle. That's another thing that I learned. I could have used a lot less for the color that I wanted to go for, but since I used so much, the color got a lot deeper. So all you gotta do is just pour it in there, and then I used my whisk and I just whipped it up. Since I used hot water, the color dissolved into the water really quickly. If you use water that's not boiling hot, you use just like hot water, you just have to do a lot more mixing, but I mixed for like not even 5 minutes. This process was really quick. It was probably like about 7-8 minutes, but you know, I'm gonna just round down to 5, so you know, this was like super duper easy though. And yeah, this is just sped up though, so make sure that you keep mixing until you don't until the water is basically fully one color and you can't see any more of the thick clumps of dye. So then I just took the wig and just popped it in there, and this is where I had to be careful because water started splashing and my legs started getting burned with the hot water. It was bad, but it still looked really great, and I was like so amazed. I don't know if y'all can really see my facial expressions, but I got really happy. Then got on Instagram, posted myself doing this. Everybody's like, oh my god, what's that? And then I just let it sit for like 5 to 7 minutes just to get the color in there, and basically you know that the hair has taken up all of the color when the water starts to get more clear. So that's basically what I did, and that only took a few minutes. As you can see, it just gradually got darker and darker. So if you want a lighter color, you leave it in for less time, you use less dye. If you want the color to be like deeper, I don't know the word to use because it's like not dark, it's just like, I don't know, who knows, whatever, y'all know what I mean. And here was the finished results. I did kind of have to go back in where there was like lighter parts. I kind of sectioned it out off camera, but that only took like 1 minute. So if it was darker in certain parts, I would just let it sit for like 1 minute in that part, and then I just moved on. as y'all can see. But that was basically it. It was really quick and it didn't get on the lace and it was just so easy. I can't wait to do this again.
So that was it for the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to give it a big giant thumbs up and make sure you guys comment down something below. If you liked it, if you hated it, no. Don't comment if you hated it. Your comment will be deleted. If you guys want to know about the specs of this hair and you guys want to see my tutorial on how I installed it and also a review of how I like this hair, there will be a link to that video in the description box below and it'll also be in the cards. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!